Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle and I am the owner of Lily Rose Craft Room. And if you love crafting tutorials, reviews, tips, and tricks, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and tap that bell to be notified when videos are posted. For today's video, we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the new HTVRONT Auto Tumbler Heat Press. I was so excited when they reached out to me if I wanted to review it. I was like, yes, I do. So I'm so excited that it's finally here and I get to share it with you guys, what it can do and what it's about. So I have a couple different cups that I'm going to be testing it on. I have two different sizes of the sublimation glass cans. We are also going to be testing it on a tumbler, of course, and we're also going to be testing it on mugs. All right guys, let's get right into it and see what this can do. When I first saw this on Instagram, I really loved how it looked. It was really sleek looking. It reminds me of their auto heat press, so I'm gonna have a space right next to it so it can sit right there. We got some instructions, we got the product manual. I like that it has a quick reference chart, so it tells us like the time and the temperature range for stainless steel tumblers, ceramic tumblers, and glass tumblers. So this is right here in the manual. And then we got some tape. It comes with some tape. And it comes with gloves, some heat resistant silicone gloves. These are definitely needed when you're making sublimation tumblers. Nice, okay. Alrighty, now for the big machine. Okay, let me tilt this because I don't want to drop this. It's well protected with these little foam pieces so it's not damaged during shipping. Put that there. This here. How cool. I'm happy I got the white one because it'll match my heat press. All right, and here it is. Let me zoom in so you guys are able to see the buttons and its features. Here is a close-up on the tumbler press. If you have the other HTVRONT 15x15 press, you can tell that the buttons are very similar. So here we got our power, we got our temperature, our time control, and our increase and decrease. And this is the press button, so when you press it, it'll close, or when you press it, it opens. So the lowest temperature it can go is 210, and the highest temperature it can go is 390 degrees. They only go up in increments of 5 if you short press, or if you long press, you go up in increments of 10. So you can't go in between like the one numbers. There's either 5 or a 10. The cool thing about this machine, it has a auto turn off. So after 15 minutes, if there's no use, it will turn off. So that's a good feature to have. And then also an emergency stop. You have to press any button when the heating area is closed and the heating area will reset and open. So if you have an emergency, just press any button and your machine will open. So we also have a little reference chart, a cheat sheet for stainless steel tumblers, ceramic tumbler, and glass tumblers. It tells you the temperature and the time to use. These are the designs that we're going to be using today. I got them on Creative Fabrica. I do have a link in the description below for a free trial so you guys can check that out. You guys will get 10 free downloads. So this is where I always get all my designs. They have so many to choose from. So while the machine is warming up, I'm gonna cut these to size and then we'll get ready to press them. So I'm putting the stainless steel one, I'm just gonna slide it in here. And then I'm going to press the button. And I'm doing this one at 380 degrees for 120 seconds and I'm gonna rotate it. You can see it counting down and let me show you how it looks like in the inside. So there is a slight gap right here at the top. You can see it, and this is what it looks like from the top. See how it opened? Okay, now we're just going to rotate it so the other side can press. And then we're gonna press it again for another 120 degrees. Okay, our tumbler is done. So I'm just gonna put it right here, and then I'm gonna start on the glass one. So this one needs to be at 365 degrees for 205 seconds on each rotation. So now the glass is going in. We're gonna press it. I'm gonna let this one cool down, and then we're gonna put the other little glass can. This is a 16 ounce. With the same temperature, 365 degrees for 205 seconds. So with the glass can, it didn't close all the way only because it's fatter. So it senses what's inside and knows like what pressure to press at. Now we're gonna rotate it all the way around and press again for another 205 seconds. Okay, this one's done now, and I'm just gonna wait for them to cool before I peel them. And then now we're gonna do both of the mugs together. Next, these are the 11 ounce mugs, and I'm gonna put these in together at 390 degrees for 270 seconds. The design is only on one side. I'm not gonna rotate these, or I can't because there's a handle. So we're just gonna put them in together. Just like this. And the 11 ounce is pretty snug, so we'll test out if it fits the 15 ounce after. Yeah, because they are snug. So I got these in together, and now I'm gonna press it. Okay, and now these are done. So we are going to wait till these are done so we can do the reveal. All right, now time for the reveal. First, we're gonna do the avocado one. Here is the full wrap. We do have a little bit ghosting on the top and the bottom. It could be that I didn't wrap it tight enough also. So here's this one. Other than that, like the center and everything is really, really good. Okay, now for the glass. The tall glass one, the 20 ounce glass. This one was the Affirmation one. Okay. This one came out really pretty. For this one, the smaller glass can, the 16 ounce. here's this one. And then for the mugs, let's see how these came out. The ceramic always stays hotter than the other ones. They take forever to cool down. So it's still a little warm, but not that hot. Ooh, it's so pretty. Always like with the white, you can see the color more vibrant than like with the glass cans. So these are frosty, so you can kind of like, you know, see through them. But always like when it has the white background, like the colors really, really pop. So here's this one. There's a little ghosting right here at the bottom. You can see right here. Let's see if the other one came out better. Here is this one. This one came out perfect. So this one doesn't have any ghosting. So this one did come out perfect. I also did want to test out to see if the 15-ounce mug fits compared to the 11-ounce, because the 11-ounce was really snug in there. So these are a little bit bigger. So let's see if the 15-ounce fits. No, the 15-ounce do not fit in here. It is way too big. Nope. So if you're wanting to do mugs, the biggest you're gonna be able to do are the 11-ounce. And like I said, this one does fit snug inside. We're gonna try to redeem ourselves. I have another print, and let's see if this one comes out better. I believe that first press was user error. I'm still new to the sublimation world, so I'm still getting all my taping right and all my techniques right. So we'll see if this one works better. Really want to make sure there's no air in between the paper and the tumbler and the mug. Using a big piece of tape for the bottom. Tape that in really good. And the top. All right, I feel like this one is really, really pressed down. So now we're gonna give this one another try. Okay, we're just gonna put it right in here and press it again for 270 seconds. And we'll see how this one turned out. All right, it's done. So let's see if this one came out better. Peel it off. Looking good, looking good. All right, let's see the other half. All right, this one came out way, way better. This one came out perfect, I should say. Let me focus. All right, this one came out way better. The colors are very, very vibrant. So this one, I just got some air in between the paper and the cup. All right, I redeemed myself. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. My thoughts on the HTVRONT press is that I really like it. I like that it looks really nice. It's really eye-appealing. I'm still new to the tumbler sublimation world, so I'm still learning how to tape my tumblers and make sure the wrap is really, really tight. I'm still learning that stuff, but other than that, it works great. It knows how much pressure to put depending on like the size of your tumbler or your mug. HTVRONT press works really good. It works as it should. And to be honest, I really like it. I have no problems with it. If you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!